Hi guys,
this is Triza
this is Samantha
and welcome back to our
channel.
So today we are going to do once again Chikni challenge with tissue paper. So since you had requested that we should have a tissue as well while sneezing, so here it is. We've got the Chikni ready and we will try to keep it a little longer than usual because you all said that the video was too small last time, so trying today a little longer because this chikni is little strong, so it's getting into our eyes and so it gets difficult. So let's hope for the best, giving our best. Yeah, so let's get started.
Yay!
Okay. Can't wait. Alright, so here it is. Can you see guys? Ready? 1, 2, 3. I'll take a little more so I can sneeze a little more. The best part about chikni is if you have cold and you sniff this in, so everything comes out. So luckily we don't have cold and we just simply sneeze.
Stay safe, guys.
So this is so strong
Very
that
strong.
our tears comes out with it. And staying safe, guys. COVID is spreading. So only praying that everybody is safe. Especially you. The one who's watching. I think that's about it. No, I'm still. I think that's about it, guys. Hope you like the video.
Please like, share, and subscribe
to our channel. And please stay safe. Bye.
Bye, guys.